traffic sign recognition using Python. So you have to show any sign from the laptop camera and recognize that particular sign with the voice output feedback.
Compulsory _ turn _ right _ ahead. Horn _ prohibited. Horn _ prohibited. All _ motor _ vehicle _ prohibited. Cycle _ prohibited. Horn _ prohibited. Horn _ prohibited. Horn _ prohibited. All _ motor _ vehicle _ prohibited. Horn _ prohibited. Cross _ road. All _ motor _ vehicle _ prohibited. 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 Compulsory _ keep _ left. Compulsory _ turn _ right _ ahead. Compulsory _ keep _ right. Compulsory _ keep _ right. Compulsory _ keep _ right. Compulsory _ keep _ right.
This is the complete project. If you find out, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with the friend. Thank you.